Hey, good morning, everybody. Happy Friday. Hope everybody's doing well. Hope you're feeling better than I am. I'm still feeling a little beat up from the second dose of the vaccine. Got it a few days ago. Got it on Tuesday, yesterday. Oh boy, like spent the whole day in bed. Um, kind of feels like I got hit by a truck. I'm sure you've heard it around. Like joints are sore. Feel like you did a full body workout, but you really didn't do anything. Anyhow, um, I don't know what you guys did to the market the last couple of days while I was sleeping, but it looks like Tesla is down quite a bit. And now that I'm back up and now it is back, bouncing back a little bit. All right, yeah, Tesla looking pretty good today, but yeah, that's exactly how I felt. Do like as as I got my second dose, down, 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 down. Now hopefully like Tesla, hopefully we're on the upswing too. So, being Friday, I need to roll a few things out here. So, let's go ahead and do that. Oh, by the way, if you have a Tastyworks account, I think there's something pretty cool. Um, they actually text you when you have options expiring. I don't know if you've ever seen this or you have it, um, but I pay so little attention to my Tastyworks account. And I just make plays every once in a while. That's super handy. Most of my things are super safe in there, so but that's pretty cool. Anyhow, let's get to rolling some stuff out. So the things that are expiring today, those were like a couple YOLO plays. Lost my $500 on that, but that's all right. But everything else expiring next week, all these, I'm gonna go ahead and roll these out at this point. Boy, Tapestry, good. Tapestry, boy. All right, let's get to rolling. So we got some AMDs to roll. We'll go ahead and buy this back, roll it out another week. This is a basically poor man's covered call. I own a Leaps on this one, and we'll just continually collect a little bit of premium on this guy. There we go, got one of those filled. Um, DraftKings. What is going on with DraftKings? On the up today. Very nice. But we'll roll this guy out. And I'm going to roll it out to the exact same place. See if we can collect $24 here. So these are all either Leaps I own or stock I own. Gap is stock. I own 300 shares. So this is just extra money we're collecting by either owning Leaps or owning shares. Essentially no cost to us. The only thing we have to do is hold on to our stock and remember to roll them out every once in a while. And $12. Let me get $10 a piece. And on some of these that I like to own, I'll go ahead and take the money and purchase some more shares. What I'm doing here is I just keep lowering the cost until I get filled because I want to get done. And then we'll look at Gap. We just get $27. So we'll go to buy in dollars. And we'll grab $27 more worth of Gap. MGM. grab $10. $9. Ah, come on. Can I get $8? Should be able to get $8. 7 was the low. There we go. MGM. Do I own straight up? No. Let's buy my $8 worth of. And Palantir. How's Palantir doing? Oh, up a little bit today. So we have 3 of these. These should fill right away. 1. At least one of them filled right away. Not sure. Let's see. We'll wait a little bit, but why? Because it's going down a little bit. Well, it does sit in queue, but we'll go to Palantir. We'll go ahead and buy that $42 worth anyways. Palantir, so we have 325 shares so far. And we'll see if those get rolled out. We may have to adjust those. And Snapchat at $62. This is on a Leaps. Oops. I hit 4. And I don't own any Snapchat shares in this account. And let's see. So we got our Tapestry. Buy back a couple of those. And let's see, those were $1.15. Let's see, what does another week out give us? Yeah, we'll stick with the 50. Actually, this one's pretty close to the money. And since there's $115 left in these guys, I'm going to wait a little bit for those. And there we go. All set on that. Tesla looks like it is going up. Maybe we'll see $700 again. And there we have it. That is rolling out all of our covered calls besides Tapestry, and waiting for the other 2 Palantirs to happen. I may cancel this and lower it a little bit. Let's see, we had 2 of these left, and I can't remember. And we'll grab $13. So they should fill right away. They should fill right away. Robinhood, listen to me. They should fill right away. Come on. I don't understand why. There we go. did spend a little bit more than we got back for our premium, but that's okay. Always happy to buy some Palantir, buy some every day anyways. So we are waiting on our tapestries. We'll let that decay a little bit and watch price action right there. I do have my two 950 Tesla calls. Let's roll those guys out too. And I only sell these super far out of the money because I really don't want to lose my Tesla shares. Two of those. Do we buy $26 worth of Tesla? Why not? Let's see. 0.03 shares. Whatever. Alrighty. Okay. So there. All done. Everything's moved out except for tapestry. And then, so next Friday, you can see what we have expiring here as far as put credit spreads. We have, let's see, our highest at 690, lowest at 650. I really like 660. That's where I've been opening new ones at. And then I do have one debit spread. So the 670, 680, that's actually a debit spread. But we're kind of even on most of those guys. So anyhow, hope you guys have a great day. I am planning on streaming tomorrow. I'm gonna probably do it a little bit earlier than usual. That's what I'm thinking, just since in the middle of the day when I've been doing them at 1:30 because of my internet seems to get a little bit busy during that normal time. So I'll probably do it a little bit earlier. Hopefully we'll see you guys there. And then later today, hopefully I can get back to some of your questions that you have. Just the last couple days felt like crap. So hopefully that is not the case today, tomorrow. All right. Love you guys. Have a great day. And let's make a lot of money.